Whoa, did you see that? Talk about a slithering surprise. Welcome to BuzzList, where we rank the most jaw-dropping facts from around the world. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of some of nature's most incredible creatures, snakes. From their lightning-fast strikes to their potent venoms, these reptiles have captivated and terrified humans for centuries. Get ready because we're about to uncover the top 10 deadliest snakes on the planet. Deep in the arid heart of Australia lurks a snake with venom so potent it could stop your heart in an instant. Meet the inland taipan, the undisputed king of venom. Just one bite from this serpent packs enough toxins to kill over 100 adult humans. Imagine that, a single drop of venom with the power to wipe out an entire football team. What makes the inland taipan's venom so deadly? It's a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, each targeting different parts of the body. Neurotoxins disrupt nerve impulses, leading to paralysis. Hemotoxins attack the blood, preventing clotting and causing massive internal bleeding. And if that wasn't enough, myotoxins break down muscle tissue, leading to excruciating pain and organ failure. Fortunately, encounters with the inland taipan are rare. These shy creatures prefer to avoid humans, retreating to their burrows when disturbed. And thankfully, an effective antivenom exists, but it needs to be administered quickly after a bite. So if you ever find yourself trekking through the Australian outback, watch your step. From the arid deserts of Australia, we now venture to the savannas and rocky hills of sub-Saharan Africa, home to a snake as swift as it is deadly, the black mamba. This serpent isn't named for its scales, which are actually olive brown, but for the inky black interior of its mouth, which it displays in a terrifying threat display. The black mamba is a true speed demon, capable of slithering at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. Imagine trying to outrun this lightning-fast reptile. It's no wonder the black mamba is feared throughout its range. But its speed isn't the only weapon in its arsenal. Like the inland taipan, the black mamba possesses highly potent venom, a neurotoxic cocktail that disrupts nerve function, leading to paralysis and respiratory failure. Without prompt administration of antivenom, a bite from this serpent can be fatal in as little as 20 minutes. But here's the thing about the black mamba. It's not inherently aggressive. Like most snakes, it prefers to avoid confrontation, striking only when threatened or cornered. So, if you ever find yourself face to face with this slithering speedster, remember to stay calm, back away slowly, and admire its incredible agility from a safe distance. Prepare to be mesmerized, because our next contender is a snake of exquisite beauty and unparalleled danger, the blue crate. Found throughout Southeast Asia, this serpent is instantly recognizable by its striking blue-black banded pattern, a warning to any would-be predators. Don't let its beauty fool you. The blue crate is a master of deception. It's primarily nocturnal, emerging from its hiding places under the cover of darkness to hunt its prey. And when it strikes, it does so with incredible precision, injecting a potent neurotoxin that quickly paralyzes its victims. What makes the blue crate's venom so unique is its ability to induce muscle paralysis without causing pain. Imagine being completely immobilized, unable to move a muscle while fully conscious. It's a terrifying thought, and a testament to the evolutionary prowess of this incredible serpent. While encounters with blue crates are relatively rare, their venom poses a significant threat to humans. Fortunately, effective anti-venom exists, but prompt medical attention is crucial for survival. So, if you ever find yourself exploring the jungles of Southeast Asia, be sure to keep a watchful eye out for this stunning but deadly serpent. From the exotic jungles of Southeast Asia, we now journey to the familiar landscapes of Australia, where a stealthy killer lurks in backyards and urban parks, the eastern brown snake. Don't let its unassuming name fool you. This serpent is responsible for more snakebite fatalities in Australia than any other species. What makes the eastern brown snake so dangerous? It's a combination of factors, including its potent venom, its aggressive nature when threatened, and its widespread distribution throughout eastern Australia. These snakes are highly adaptable, thriving in a variety of habitats from coastal forests to urban gardens. Recent studies have revealed fascinating insights into the eastern brown snake's venom. It's a complex cocktail of toxins that attack the nervous system, blood, and muscles, leading to paralysis, internal bleeding, and organ failure. But here's the twist. The composition of the venom can vary depending on the snake's geographical location and diet. That's right, The eastern brown snake's venom is a product of its environment, evolving over time to target the specific prey animals found in its habitat. It's a testament to the adaptability and evolutionary prowess of these incredible creatures. So if you ever find yourself down under, be sure to give these stealthy killers a wide berth. Our next stop takes us to the arid deserts of Africa, the Middle East, and India, home to a snake shrouded in myth and legend, the saw-scaled viper. This small but mighty serpent is named for the saw-like scales along its flanks, which it rubs together to create a hissing sound, a warning to any potential threats. Local myths often portray the saw-scaled viper as a vengeful spirit, seeking retribution for any perceived wrongs. Some stories claim it can leap great distances, while others suggest its venom can turn a person to stone. While these tales are certainly intriguing, the reality of the saw-scaled viper is no less fascinating. These vipers are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their desert surroundings. They're also incredibly adaptable, surviving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. And their venom, while not as potent as some of the other snakes on our list, is still a force to be reckoned with. The saw-scaled viper's venom disrupts blood clotting, leading to massive internal bleeding. Without prompt medical attention, a bite from this serpent can be fatal. So, while the myths surrounding this snake might be exaggerated, its real-life dangers are very real indeed. Prepare to bow down because our next contender is royalty in the serpent world, the king cobra. This majestic snake is the longest venomous snake on Earth, reaching lengths of over 18 feet. Imagine encountering this towering serpent in the wild. It would be a sight to behold. King cobras are found throughout Southeast Asia, where they reign supreme in the dense jungles and rainforests. They're highly intelligent creatures, with complex social interactions and hunting strategies. And their venom? Oh boy, their venom is something else. The king cobra's venom is a potent neurotoxin, targeting the nervous system and causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and eventually death. But here's the fascinating part. King cobra venom has also shown promise in medical research. Scientists have discovered that certain components of king cobra venom can be used to develop painkillers and treatments for neurological disorders. It's a testament to the incredible complexity of snake venom and its potential to benefit humanity. So, while we might fear the king cobra's deadly bite, we can also appreciate its potential to unlock new medical breakthroughs. From the towering king cobra, we now turn our attention to a snake known for its ambush tactics and incredible adaptability, the tiger snake. Found throughout Australia, these serpents are named for their distinctive tiger-like stripes, a warning to any potential predators. Tiger snakes are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, whether it's a grassy meadow, a rocky outcrop, or even a suburban backyard. They're patient hunters, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander within striking distance. And when they strike, they do so with lightning speed, injecting a potent cocktail of neurotoxins and myotoxins. The tiger snake's venom is a fascinating example of evolutionary adaptation. These snakes have evolved different venom compositions depending on their geographical location and diet. In areas where they primarily feed on frogs, their venom is rich in neurotoxins, targeting the nervous system. But in areas where they prey on mammals, their venom contains higher concentrations of myotoxins, attacking muscle tissue. This adaptability is a testament to the tiger snake's evolutionary success, allowing it to thrive in a variety of habitats and prey on a diverse range of animals. So, if you ever find yourself exploring the Australian wilderness, be sure to keep a watchful eye out for these striped ambush predators. Hold on tight, because I'm about to share a personal story about one of the most intimidating snakes I've ever encountered, the Philippine cobra. It was a sweltering summer day in the Philippines, and I was trekking through a dense rainforest, searching for reptiles to film. The air was thick with humidity and the forest floor was alive with the sounds of insects and birds. As I cautiously made my way through the undergrowth, I noticed a rustling in the leaves ahead. I froze, my senses on high alert. Slowly, I peered around a large tree trunk, and there it was, a Philippine cobra, coiled and ready to strike. Its hood was flared, displaying the distinctive O markings that give this species its name. I'll admit my heart skipped a beat. The cobra was less than a meter away, its black eyes fixed on me with an unwavering intensity. I knew I had to stay calm and avoid making any sudden movements. Slowly, I backed away, keeping my eyes on the snake until I was a safe distance away. That close encounter with the Philippine cobra left a lasting impression on me. It was a reminder of the power and beauty of these creatures, and the importance of respecting their space. The Philippine cobra's venom is a potent neurotoxin capable of causing paralysis and respiratory failure. It's a snake that demands respect, and I'm grateful that our encounter ended without incident. Our next stop takes us back to Australia, home to a snake with a name that sends shivers down your spine. The death adder. This serpent is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the leaf litter of forests and woodlands, waiting patiently for unsuspecting prey to wander by. The death adder is a true ambush predator, relying on its camouflage and lightning-fast reflexes to secure its meals. It has a distinctive triangular-shaped head and a stout body, perfectly adapted for striking with deadly accuracy, and its venom, oh boy, its venom is something else. The death adder's venom is a potent neurotoxin, targeting the nervous system and causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and eventually, death. What makes this snake even more dangerous is its ability to strike with incredible speed, injecting its venom before its prey even realizes what's happened. Sadly, the death adder is facing a growing threat: habitat loss. As human development encroaches on its natural environment, this silent assassin is finding it increasingly difficult to survive. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and deadly serpent, but more needs to be done to ensure its future. And finally, we arrive at our last contender, a snake that reigns supreme on the venom scale, the coastal taipan. Found along the eastern coast of Australia, this serpent is a force to be reckoned with, possessing the most toxic venom of any land snake in the world. Just one bite from a coastal taipan contains enough venom to kill over 100 adult humans. Imagine that, a single drop of venom with the power to wipe out an entire small village. It's a sobering thought, and a testament to the evolutionary prowess of these incredible creatures. The coastal taipan's venom is a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, each targeting different parts of the body. Neurotoxins disrupt nerve impulses, leading to paralysis. Hemotoxins attack the blood, preventing clotting and causing massive internal bleeding. And myotoxins break down muscle tissue, leading to excruciating pain and organ failure. Fortunately, encounters with coastal taipans are relatively rare. These snakes are shy and reclusive, preferring to avoid human contact. And thankfully, an effective anti-venom exists, but it needs to be administered quickly after a bite. So, if you ever find yourself exploring the coastal regions of Australia, be sure to give these venom champions a wide berth. Well, there you have it, folks. The top 10 deadliest snakes on the planet. From the inland taipan's potent venom to the coastal taipan's venom scale dominance, these serpents are a testament to the incredible diversity and power of the natural world. Remember, snakes play a vital role in their ecosystems, and while we might fear their venomous bites, we should also appreciate their beauty and ecological importance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and slither down to the comments to tell us which snake you think is the scariest.